Here are 50 interesting facts about newts. 1. Newts are a type of salamander. 2. All newts are amphibians, meaning they live part of their life in water and part on land. 3. They belong to the family Salamandridae. 4. Newts have the ability to regenerate lost limbs, eyes, and even parts of their heart or spinal cord. 5. Most newts have smooth, moist skin and require humid environments. 6. Newts lay eggs in water, and their larvae resemble tadpoles. 7. Newts undergo metamorphosis, just like frogs. 8. Some species of newts are fully aquatic, while others return to land as adults. 9. Newts use their skin to absorb oxygen, especially when underwater. 10. They often secrete toxins from their skin to deter predators. 11. The rough-skinned newt of North America produces a toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is more potent than cyanide. 12. Some predators, like garter snakes, have developed resistance to this toxin. 13. Newts are typically nocturnal, hiding during the day and hunting at night. 14. Their diet includes insects, worms, and small invertebrates. 15. Newts have sticky tongues to catch their prey. 16. They use external fertilization, where the male deposits a sperm packet and the female picks it up. 17. During breeding season, male newts often develop colorful crests and brighter colors. 18. Newts can live up to 20 years in captivity. 19. Some newts hibernate during winter in colder regions. 20. The eastern newt, Notophthalmus viridescens, is common in North America. 21. It has an intermediate juvenile stage called a red eft, which is bright orange red. 22. The red eft stage lasts 2-3 years before returning to water to become an adult. 23. Newts are found mainly in Europe, Asia, and North America. 24. There are about 100 different species of newts. 25. They play a role in controlling insect populations. 26. Newts are indicators of environmental health. They thrive in clean water. 27. Some species are endangered due to habitat destruction and pollution. 28. Newts use tail fanning and body movements in courtship displays. 29. In folklore, newts were once thought to be magical creatures or ingredients in potions. 30. The alpine newt has blue coloring in males during mating season. 31. Newts shed their skin regularly and often eat the old skin for nutrients. 32. Their eyes have excellent night vision. 33. Some species can survive being frozen in ice and thaw back to life. 34. The Japanese fire-bellied newt has a striking red-orange underside to warn predators. 35. Newts can walk or swim depending on their habitat and life stage. 36. In some cultures, newts symbolize transformation and adaptability. 37. Newts don't croak like frogs, they make soft clicking or chirping sounds. 38. Some newts are invasive when introduced into non-native habitats. 39. They are cold-blooded and rely on the environment to regulate their temperature. 40. A newt's heart can stop and restart during certain regeneration processes. 41. In medieval medicine, newts were sometimes used in strange remedies. 42. A group of newts is called a knot. 43. Newts can recognize familiar territory and return to the same breeding ponds each year. 44. The great crested newt is protected by law in parts of Europe. 45. In lab studies, newts have helped scientists understand regeneration and healing. 46. Newts may play dead when threatened, a behavior called thanatosis. 47. They have a keen sense of smell used to locate food and mates. 48. Newts are often confused with lizards, but they are not reptiles. 49. Many newts are seasonal in their movements, living in ponds in spring and forests in summer. 50. Despite their tiny size, newts are complex and ecologically important creatures. Let me know if you need more details on any of these.